The disaster, which occurred near Kitikrachi in the Oti region, claimed the lives of 16 people, including children aged 2 and 14. During her visit, Professor Opoku-Agyemang sympathized with the bereaved families and encouraged survivors. Accompanying the Vice President were the Minister of Transport, Joseph Bukari Nikpe, the Director General of the National Disaster Management Organization, NATMO, Major Dr. Kunyon, and other leading figures in government. During her address to the community, she expressed her deepest condolences to the bereaved families, describing the losses as a national tragedy.
Na entiari aheye nso de ye ntimi nkasa edoso emni bia na ye boy ho ban.
We are not happy with what we heard. Hence, we decided to come and visit the place where this happened. We came to give you our condolences. Accidents are unforeseen, no matter how extremely careful you are. This profession is someone's livelihood, and we can't tell the person to leave it. What we can do is put some measures in place that will ensure security and safety.
And say, or how bend I want to claim, and or crime a crime bend a better source or how no, ye be ye if you all. It's your best sermon, and ye bet me, yet, ne be dimuno, not just a macayon.
She urged Canoe and both operators in the area to adhere to safety protocols while traveling on the Volta Lake to prevent future disasters.
Yeah, now as I see a shelter scheme, Pacho, Kaobin Fabi, life jacket. Ebiana, what to say me, Kawinyan Kao, in the to be remain say, your best way.
We must always ensure that we have the life jackets on each time we are traveling with the boats or canoes. These jackets have a way of protecting us in case of any accident. They should be made available in each canoe or boat to ensure safety. We are pleading with you to adhere to this. This will at least reduce the damage that might be caused in case of any accident on the water.
The Vice President presented 200 life jackets, mosquito nets, cooking oil, 100 bags of rice, second-hand clothing, and a monetary donation of 200,000 Ghana cedis to help cover funeral expenses. Member of Parliament for Krachi West, Helen Ajua Ntoso, expressed her condolences to the bereaved families and urged them to remain calm. She assured them that the government is implementing measures to safeguard lives on the lake.
And then I'm catch the media for say buses, buses, and VIP sukra, and taxis, and aboboya, and motoke. Yes, ensure Agyemang water here, and boat and service.
This, like any other transport system, is ours. How accidents happen on the road is the same way it happens on sea. Sincere condolences to everyone. Every boat has a watermark. Please, let us do well to follow it. Do not overload the boat.
Oti Regional Minister John Kojo Japon expressed gratitude for the Vice President's visit following the disaster, stating that her presence would bring comfort to the affected families.
A true demonstration of compassion and solidarity with the grieving families. As a region, we stand united in our grief and we draw strength from your presence and the government's continued support. We pray for comfort for the bereaved families and quick recovery for the injured. Your Excellency, I will take this painful moment to give a brief account. 24 people boarded the boat on that day. 8 of them survived and are currently receiving medical attention at Ketekrachi Government Hospital.